Hey, yo, what's going on, man? I'm doing this unboxing, man. Stadium Goods, man. First purchase from there. I ordered from StockX before, man. That joint was it was I mean, it was good. I guess I don't really know. That's like my first time doing stuff like that. Buying shoes from online. Yeah, it's not no Adidas, man. It's not no Jordan, man. We got some Nike action going on, man. I'm already struggling. Okay, hold up. Alright, here we go. Stadium Goods. Hold on. Alright, here we go. It's wrapped, I guess. I mean, the box is pretty like lightweight. It says Nike SB. All right. Oh, what's the size? Size 11 and a half. There we go. It's Nike Dunk. Let's open this joint. Yeah. Alright, here we go, bro. De La Soul. The De La Soul. Nike Dunk, my guy. Look at this mug, bro. This joint. Dang, it feels weird, like, right? It feels like different. Like a Air Force One, Jordan 1. They all look the same, pretty much. Look at that. I don't know if you could. The texture is like. Oh, it doesn't. This type of sound it makes. Yo. It's doing clean. Yo. I'm glad mine came with like a decent amount of yellow on it, because I was just worried that it wasn't going to have enough yellow on it. It was just going to be mainly gray. Like, see, from this angle, it looks ugly, but like, from this angle, bro, this thing looks fire. Like that, that's a fire look right there. Laces, see, they look how they feel. There's some inside, easily, and some yellow laces too. Out here looking like some French fries and stuff. The Nike Dunk, bro. Straight De La Soul Nike Dunk. Straight fire, man. Like it's I don't know, man. Like I guess I had higher hopes for it, but like nah, it's still an issue. Get my Jordan 1 and Air Force 1 so I can compare these units. Alright, so here's the Air Force 1. It's kind of dirty, I guess. This is the mid. I think this is the high. Actually. They kind of built the same though, so I don't. Does it say? Yeah, it says high, so I don't know. But yeah, the toe box is the same, as you can see. It's different. This part as you heard actually. Air Force 1 like that. Like it's basically feels like a Jordan 1 right here. Air Force 1 right here. The sole on that. The sole on that. Both 11 and a halves. And then we got the Jordan 1. This probably isn't really a good comparison because the toe's like creased like a mug, bro. Creased up. We use like a different material. Just, like the inside of this is basically what the tongue is made out of. So yeah, like here on this one, like here on this one, and SB on this one. That stitching messed up. Creases, I guess. I'm not too picky on that. This little crease right there. The same thing happened over here too. Is it like? Is this supposed to be that? Alright, so we're gonna skip forward to the next day, tomorrow. for the on feet. Ninja.
Man, drinking too much tea. Can't hold it in my wee. Yeah, now I really gotta pee. Running to the nearest bathroom. Running so fast, they call me Professor Zoom. Skirt. Can't stop thinking about water. My pants got warm, now they're hotter. Drippy drip drop.
I got the shotty mouth, I gotta chalk him out. I call my nigga Gleech, he gonna stomp him out. Used to like love and peace, I like destruction now. I was in love with her, we just be fucking now. Say you got work, but I guess it ain't working out. Say you got plugs, well I guess that the circuit out. I just be telling the truth, fuck the purping out. Any niggas want
I be ballin' right there where the Knicks play. Get cake, gotta make sure mama rent paid. I was dead broke, got my shit straight. Switch lanes, now they switching up, niggas bitch made. I been finessing since the 6th grade. Switchblade,
Look, I'm from an era of fast living and mass terror. Boys covered in cover girls like mascara. I don't need to keep a gun in a mask ever. I still make them put their hands up, ask Derek. My road manager damage all the
So yeah, that's the unboxing review and on feet of the Nike Dunk De La Soul. Like the video if you enjoyed it, man. And tell me some more shoes that you want me to do reviews on in the future. Peace.